Hi, today I'll be teaching you how to turn your link into an app. Your link is a progressive web app that can be installed onto a home screen with its own icon. We're going to go over to the Apps tab. Here you'll be able to add your name, app icon, and decide if you want an install prompt. So we'll first turn it on, we'll name it. You'll want to keep this short, under 12 characters. You can either choose from some pre-selected icons or you can import an image. It does need to be a PNG formatting. You can crop it if it's not a square, add an image. Here's a preview of what it's going to look like installed on your phone, and you'll want to change the splash screen color to match the app icon. And then here's where you can either turn the install prompt on or off or customize your own message. This will depend on if you're trying to get users to install it or if this is something that will be for you or people on your team to install and then share. And then go ahead and save it, and you will then be ready to add the new app to your home screen for easy sharing. Thanks for watching. Bye.